Hey everybody, happy 4th of July. I'm in front of that flag I mentioned yesterday, and today is officially the 4th, so we're gonna do a sound washing for independence. Yay! So whether you live in the US and you're celebrating our independence, or if you live somewhere else, we can all celebrate our own independence or declare some independence from anything that you are ready to move on from. So here's a little sound washing. I'm actually out in front of my house and facing across the San Francisco Bay. So I'm sending this out. Tonight there will be fireworks all around the bay, and just sending it out to the bay, across the oceans, and around the world, whoever needs to have these healing sounds for them. I thank you so much for listening, and here you go with your sound washing for independence. Oh, I forgot to tell you, just let the sounds wash over you, and there's really nothing to do. Listen to it as many times as you wish. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for listening. To me, that felt so, I felt the shaman energy, I felt the connection with earth, healing for this relationship of the people who came to this world displacing other cultures, a heart connection and a reminder that we are all one, and that we heal each other by giving each other attention and remembering love. So thank you so much for listening. I will see you tomorrow, as I am doing every day, a video every day in July. Thank you so much. And if you haven't already and you'd like to subscribe, go ahead and click the subscribe button, and you will get a notification when these come up. And then you won't miss any. Okay? That's great. And if you like it, give it a thumbs up. And if you feel like you have some people you'd like to share this with, please do. I just want these sounds to resonate across all time and space and all dimensions and all over the world and the universe and anywhere that they can be reached and heard and felt. So thanks for sharing. Talk to you tomorrow. Bye.